Today we're in Montreal in Griffintown at the atelier of Les Ensembliers, the hugely successful architecture, design, and construction firm you so often see featured in House & Home and Maison et des Mers. Richard Ouellette and Maxime Vandal are the team behind Les Ensembliers. Today we're getting real with Richard. When I look at this, I can see that you're not doing a lot of beige on beige on beige. And usually people with a big client base are going very safe. Your clients,
never safe.
What do they have, like courage, or do they just trust you? Or?
I think they get excited. I think it's a process. It's a built relationship situation. You bring them in slowly into the color, and they love it.
What do you want to do that you haven't done?
I really, really, really love the fact that we can do anything custom now. I love anything that has a really specific need to the client.
Things like area rugs. Are you like a casual guy or a more formal guy?
I'm very informal. I like easy. Sisal and Turkish rugs.
Oh, you like sisal?
I love
sisal. Okay.
Anything that's natural fiber to the hands or the feet.
Wallpaper in the kitchen or not?
Anywhere.
Anywhere, including the kitchen and the bathroom?
Everywhere. There's textures, there's easy ones to clean. Absolutely in the kitchen.
You love wallpaper.
For me, white walls or over-the-top wallpaper.
Not paint?
I find paint tricky. I'd rather have a backdrop, gallery backdrop, white, than painted colors that you're trying out. And
okay.
So I think it's trickier.
What are the three colors that you always try to use in a job because they're signature?
And I do think that plums and teals and citrines are really good colors. And I love that.
Saturation.
Yeah. That's my farm coming up. This is our coach house that we're doing. And I still want the jolt of color.
This is your palette.
Yeah.
Your teals go with that, your plums, your citron, all goes with that. There's your teal. I see it. I love that palette. How would you define your own style, your signature style of Les Ensembliers? What is it?
I really think it's easy chic.
Layers?
Of course.
Of course.
But I love the idea of living more bare, but still a bit of layers.
Living more bare.
Because I want the easy aspect of it.
Everywhere or just in the country?
Country, for sure.
What about the city?
I'll layer it up.
Layer it up,
yeah.
Okay.
Zach!
Oh, Zach! Hi, Zach! How old is Zach?
Zach is going on 6.
Pets on the sofa or off the sofa?
Yeah, on the sofa.
On the sofa.
Come on.
So, do we have to have fabric that are pet-proof?
Maybe if you're really, really focusing on that. But for me, I think great fabrics can always get cleaned. There's great throws. There's, and a bit of lived in is okay. So this is a little tour of the design studio. Do you want to go see downstairs?
Definitely.
This is Max's world. Max is at the corner of architecture on this side and construction on that side.
And you're the decorator.
Exactly.
Okay.
I have the fun job.
Yes. What, that's one of your projects?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a house.
A house?
Yes, it's a very large house. And that's been a very long project.
10 years.
10 years.
It's phenomenal.
So you see the difference between me and Max. Huh? I get excited about fabrics and textures. He gets excited about this little machine.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, this is quite
3D
cool.
printer.
Yeah. Usually we start it at night, and when we come back in the morning, it's done.
Is this because you have a genius here?
A couple of them.
Oh, a couple of them. Thank you, Richard.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for getting real with us.
Thank you for making me real.
I know you better now.
Thank you so much.